in hello, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you are. I'm coming to you from Sydney. Another Tuesday and another Tuesday talk. And the topic for today is a wrong decision making model, consensus based decision making model. I want to talk to you about this one because it was an interesting conversation this week. And I thought it will be a good thing to share with you why using this method in decision making will stop you from being seen as a leader. And if you have been here with me before on Tuesday Talks, welcome back. And if it's the first time, welcome. I help two groups of people, those who are in senior management roles, seasoned professionals that they want to go higher and land higher profile roles. And the second group are the executive and senior managers that they are already there and they are thinking to transition out and go for wider impact positions. The work we do with the first group is to position you as a leader. The work we do with the second group is to monetize your skill set and your know-how and your past experiences. There's a lot of commonality. The essence of what I do is to work with you to grow to the point that someone taps on your shoulder and say, hey, we want you to come in and help you and join this table. What is that table? The table that decisions are made. And for that, I've designed and deployed a program called Executive Elevate that exactly does that. The key differentiator between this program, Executive Elevate, and the rest of things that we read and do on anything to do with leadership is that it's the missing part of MBA. MBA will tell you how to do the job and be a great manager, but it doesn't tell you how to get there. And I've been unapologetic about this goal. And if you are interested in landing higher profile roles or thinking in the future you will be transitioning out to have your own gig outside, please explore this program. Or share it with someone that you love and care about and you think they deserve more. Interestingly, they will associate their success from this program with you, with the person that has referred them to that program. And today, in terms of this decision-making model, the consensus based or someone that is always looking around to see what others are saying potentially to make a decision, it was an interesting case because it came up with one of the clients and it's been a hot topic last couple of this quarter. And it's the concept of redesigning and forming a new program. And when they wanted to appoint a group of people to senior positions in this new space, when they were going through the list of people and candidates, one of the things that was coming up in terms of assessment was not that if these people can do the job, was that they move things forward? Can they actually make a call? And specifically about a candidate that was really great and everything was yes. The only thing that was stopping this person to get the job was the fact that it was said this person doesn't make a call. It will always ask what other people around her will do, and then she would go ahead and make a decision. Again, these decisions in this space is really tech environment, so a lot of technology space about the stack, about the vendors we use, and refactoring the codes, and a lot of those ones are amazing, and those decisions are tough, and they have a lot of consequences, but this was something that came up. Also, this candidate, as you can tell, is a female, a STEM female, means that though they are amazing in what they do, and they have created a lot of success, they won't get these jobs, these roles as a manager because they are not the ones that they seem making the decisions. So there's nothing wrong with it. They are successful in what they're doing. But if you are wondering why you're not getting nominated for roles or why you're not getting promoted, this is an area that I want you to start thinking about. It's interesting because I am an agile practitioner, either in product or ventures or ways of working. I always use agile ways of working. And in that, there's a lot about collaboration, about bringing teams together, bringing people together, moving things forward as a group. So when this assessment was done, I was actually surprised to, and the point that was highlighted for me was that those ways of operating are respected and valued. The way someone gets appointed as a leader is different. So the action that I have for you today, if you are one of those people that is always wondering, why am I not getting selected? Why am I not getting that promotion? Why am I not the obvious choice for this one, for the next role, for a higher position role? I want you to look at two things in the last couple of months. Go from the beginning of the year. Firstly, identify what decisions you have made. Knowing what's the point of decision, what's the decision-making point will help you to later on see if you want to change your style. Second one is I want you to look at those decisions that you've made and make a differentiation. See if you have been making that decision based on consensus of a group, based on data and a logical set of data points that you've had, or based on your intuition. These are three different styles of decision making. Right now, there's no need for you to change anything. First step to bring awareness to it. And there's a similar conversation about other two styles of decision making. But for now, I want you to see if you are one of those people that before announcing her or his decision is one of those people that will look around to see what others will do or say before she makes her call. And this is not necessarily just for female. A lot of introverts, a lot of people, gentlemen, that they are not confrontational. A lot of people that English is not their first language. A lot of people that they are new to a country or new to a new space. Let's say they've changed their industry from FMCG and they've moved to banking. Because they always have this fear that, I haven't been born in this industry, maybe my decision is not solid, so I have to, consult with so many people, therefore, and then after that, I announce my decision. So these are the type people that they're all dealing with are at risk of this judgment. So have a assessment of yourself, see what is your style of decision making, and see if you are one of those ones that tends to make a decision in this style. One other group that is more inclined to make decision in that style is people that they are having a large group of people report to them, and they want to make sure that things are moved forward, and their background is mostly technology. So have a think of that as well. All right, I summarized my point to see so I can close the call and the conversation. 3 styles of decision making. Each one of them is needed for different situation, based on facts and data, based on consensus, and based on intuition. Identify which one it is, If you are one of those ones that more tend to make decisions based on consensus, find those decision-making points in the last 3-4 months, get an awareness what's your style, then decide and do an assessment. Has this been one of the blockers for you to be seen as a potential leader? That's it, my friend. Awareness is the first step. That was a hot topic from a actual client case that was looking to change the entire programming and they take a space. So I thought I'd share that one with you and see how actual senior managers, CTOs, will make a decision to appoint their leaders and see if that's helpful for you. Have a lovely week. I'll see you next week on same time, same place, and a different topic. Bye-bye.